Hello, fellow realtors, and welcome to the Bay East Buzz. I'm Doreen Roberts, and I've got some great news to share with you today. You know the frustration of submitting an offer to the listing broker and then never hearing back? Well, effective January 1st, 2019, the Code of Ethics Standard of Practice 1-7 will be amended to add this language. Upon the written request of a cooperating broker who submits an offer to the listing broker shall provide a written affirmation to the cooperating broker stating that the offer has been submitted to the seller, or a written notification that the seller has waived the obligation to have the offer presented. So the listing broker will be obligated to either sign and return page 10 of the purchase contract or some other written acknowledgement that the offer was presented to the seller. That could even be an email. Now, don't get confused to think this change is requiring the seller to sign or acknowledge the receipt of offer presentation. We have no jurisdiction to require clients to do anything, but this does place the obligation on the listing agent to acknowledge the presentation of offers or the seller's written notification that the obligation to have your offer presented was waived. As listing brokers, this will place new emphasis on professional handling of all offers, which starts with preparing the seller at listing time for how they prefer offers to be presented, whether as they come in or to strategize a certain date to present all offers at the same time. Don't forget, if the seller has decided not to allow personal presentation of offers, then those instructions need to be in writing and ready to provide to any agent that requests the signed instructions as provided by MLS Rule 7.23. Buyer's agents do have the right to present their own offers to the seller or receive signed instructions from the seller that the seller has requested that offers only be presented by the listing agent. Working together to advance professionalism between listing and cooperating realtors is the best way to ensure that both sellers and buyers have a positive transaction experience, and that realtor participation enhances that experience. To download your most current copy of the Code of Ethics, follow the link below in comments. As of January 1st, 2019, the amended copy of the Code of Ethics will be available.